Butterfly balloon tutorial. Start by making a loop twist about 7 fingers wide. The balloon neck threads through the center. Create another loop bubble of the same size. Wrap and secure. Continue twisting a loop bubble approximately 4 fingers wide. Next, make the second 4-finger loop twist. Wrap and secure. Release the excess gas. Tie a tight knot. Wrap and tie. Trim off the remaining balloon tip. Adjust the balloon shape. Twist a 4-finger single bubble. Wrap the single bubble around the butterfly. Give another 4-finger single bubble twist. Twist 2 single bubbles into a double ear tie. Wrap a 4-finger single bubble around the knot. Trim off the excess balloon material. Tie a tight knot. The excess balloon tail is wrapped around the knot. Take a piece of balloon and slightly inflate it. Tie a tight knot. Repeat the same process to make another one. Tie two balloon necks together. Cut off the neck. The balloon segment is wrapped around the butterfly's head. And there you have it, your little butterfly is all done.